Guys, we have all seen how bare bone the Tesla Model Y standard is. So we have been upgrading it for quite some time, and the first thing we have placed inside of it are the sexy buttons. These are 4 customizable buttons which communicates with this dongle right here, and you can place them anywhere inside your car. And in this video, I want to show you what features I'm using them for inside this Tesla. The first thing I want to say is that these buttons are extremely easy to configure. You just have to download an app called Sexy and choose which action you want to assign to each button. For instance, as soon as I got this car, the first thing I did is to add 2 buttons to control the seat position with a single tap. The car doesn't have physical controls for that, so normally you have to go through the screen. Now, whenever I'm driving long distances or someone is sitting in the back, I can adjust my position instantly. I also placed another button near the door panel which folds and unfolds my mirrors with each press. That way, whenever I'm navigating through tight spaces, I don't have to fumble through the main screen. I can just tap the button and stay focused on my surroundings. And lastly, my 4th button is placed behind the steering wheel and is designed to trigger my high beams. With a single tap, it's gonna flash them multiple times to inform the slow driver in front of me. And if he's driving too slow, double tapping the same button will activate a short honk. Well, now you know how I use these sexy buttons inside this Tesla, and if you want to learn more about them, go ahead and check out our website, which is enhauto.com. There are over 200 actions they can control, not only on this car, but on every single Tesla model there is. Also, while you're here, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we post videos every single week. And in the next one, I'm going to show you how I have upgraded my older Model Y with a smart LED strip. See you soon.